Hey everyone, welcome. This is just a super quick recap of our AI in Practice Core Lab from November 4th, coming to you from the RW Institute Makerspace. We're going to jump right in. AI is moving so fast. It's really easy for teams to feel like they're constantly a step behind. So in the lab, we tackled this problem head-on with a really simple but powerful idea. What if we could shift from being a team that's always interrupting each other to find information to a team that builds a shared, findable knowledge base? So what is this lab exactly? Well, think of it like a weekly workshop. It's a really hands-on session for folks in the social impact world, even if you're not technical, to bring in your real work and actually leave with a tangible AI-powered solution. Our motto is simple. We learn by doing, not by sitting around listening to lectures. To make AI adoption feel way less overwhelming, we broke it all down into a really simple three-part model. It all starts with your content. That means capturing and organizing all your raw materials. Then comes the interface. This is where you point an AI tool at all that organized content. And finally, and this is maybe the most important part, it's about behavior. Building those new team habits to actually use this new system first. A participant in the lab, Nevin, came up with the perfect analogy for this. He was building an inventory system for his nonprofit. First, he organized the actual physical supply room. That was his content. Then he built a digital inventory for it. That's the interface. But the hardest part? Training the team to check that inventory before buying more stuff. That was the behavior change. It just illustrates the whole model so brilliantly. So how does this actually work in practice? Well, we started with a tool called Notebook LM. It's fantastic. You can take raw material, like a meeting transcript, and turn it into something useful almost instantly. With just a few clicks, you can get mind maps to see the big picture, create these polished briefing docs for stakeholders, or even get short audio and video summaries made for you.
Next up, we looked at the paid version of ChatGPT, and the key feature we focused on was projects. It lets you create this dedicated workspace for a specific task, so all your files and contacts stay in one neat place. We also played around with the different modes, like you can switch from a quick instant mode for brainstorming to a much deeper pro mode for more detailed analysis.
Okay, but where does all that great transcript content come from in the first place? For us, a lot of the time, it starts with Fathom. It just automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes our meetings. And the best part, honestly, are the deep links it creates. You can click one and jump to the exact moment in a video where something was said. It's the perfect starting point for that content step we talked about.
All right, so how can you apply this stuff right now? Here's your first quick win. It's super easy. Just take the transcript and the little context document from our session, upload them into a new notebook in Notebook LM, and then just click to generate a briefing doc and a 2-minute video overview. It's a really cool way to see the magic for yourself.
And for quick win number 2, let's get you organized. Go into ChatGPT and create a new project for whatever you're working on right now. Upload your key files into it. Then, the next time you have an analysis task, try doing it inside that project using the thinking mode. You'll see right away how powerful it is to have your content and interface all connected.
All of these tools and models, they all really come back to one core mindset shift. As Chris Jarvis put it so perfectly in the lab, you have to treat every conversation like gold. Record it, save it, tag it. That one habit, that's what fuels this entire process.
So if you're feeling ready to keep building, we would absolutely love to see you at the next AI in Practice Core Lab. You can find links to all the tools and resources we talked about today right on the session's event page. We really hope this quick refresh helps you ship your important work faster and with integrity. We're so excited to see what you build, and we will see you at the next lab.